ఆదిత్య ఓం కళ్ళు పెట్టి చూడలేకున్నా చూడకుండా ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉండలేకున్నా. Aditya Om got many Best Actor awards at various film festivals for his Telugu film Dahana. In 2024, he also published a book named Story of Bharata based on the Hindi epic Mahabharata. Aditya Om active since 2002 till date. Aditya acted in Dhanlakshmi I Love You in 2002, which is also a super hit film.